Hi, welcome back to Sunshine and Country. This will probably be the last time I make a video with showing the little red chickens until they are integrated into the big coop with the other girls. They are almost 3 months old now, so I'm going to turn the camera around and let you see them. They're picking at me. Just gave them some more food. There's Raphael. He's the one that we were wondering if he was a rooster or not. He's a rooster. And then that one back there that's kind of dark red, her name is Punky Brewster or Spunky Brewster. And then that's Sweet Girl. And there's a couple others that don't have names. If you can think of any good names, give us some suggestions in the comment down below. And if you like our content, please consider subscribing.